Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Roblox voice chat not working. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you might want to do is check if you have provided permissions to the game. In order to do that, simply go ahead and open your settings and then go all the way down to applications. And this is where you want to simply go ahead and search for Roblox. Once you found Roblox, simply make sure that your microphone permissions are turned on. If you don't find it here, you can also go to your privacy and security tab and then simply go down all the way to microphone, and this is where you want to turn it on. If that is also not the case, you might need to do a age verification. In order to do that, simply go ahead and open your Roblox application, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen, and this is where you want to go to your account settings and then simply go ahead and verify your account info. If that still doesn't work, you might want to simply go ahead and select the input game. So inside the game, open the menu and go to settings to ensure the correct microphone is selected under input devices. If none of it works, simply try to uninstall and reinstall your application to fix the problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.